Hey everyone, what's up? So today we're going to break down how to freeze your location on iPhone, right here. You'd probably want to do this when you don't want certain apps or people to track where you are. Maybe you want to make up a bit of privacy or keep your location stuck in one place. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. What you're going to want to do first is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services. Wow. Over here, you'll see a full list of apps that have access to your GPS. Now, to freeze your location completely, you can turn off the Main Location Services toggle at the top. That's going to stop all apps from using your live location. But okay, if you only want to freeze it for specific apps like Find My or Snapchat, you can go after that app name from the list and select Never or Ask Next Time. That'll help you hold your last known spot and stop new updates. Oh, great tip right here. If you use Find My Friends or Find My iPhone, you can make out a bit of trick by turning on airplane mode. Once you do that, your iPhone's going to keep showing your last active location until you come back online. It's cheap and simple but works fine for a short time. You can also go ahead and use a smart method by freezing location through iCloud. Go to Find My app, tap on Me at the bottom, and toggle off Share My Location. That's going to stop broadcasting your real-time movement even while Wi-Fi stays on. If you'd like to look for an advanced option, you can link up a third-party location spoofing app. Some require connecting your iPhone to a MacBook or PC, then running a location simulation through Xcode or tools like iTools. It's a bit technical but gives you full control to set a fake fixed location. Just make sure you use adequate, trusted tools because some cheap ones can break your GPS service. Anyways, that's how you can freeze or fake your iPhone's location depending on what you'd like to do. Keep in mind, if you're using apps like Maps or Uber, they won't update until you restore the location settings. If you have any other questions or you want to learn how to bring in your frozen location for social apps, call on me in the comments, and I'll help you out ahead. Okay, that's all for now. Wow, you're all set to take control of your iPhone location. See you in the next one.